Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to archive boards in Monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your workspace. This will take you straight to your main dashboard where all your project boards are organized and ready to view. Now take a look at the left panel of your screen. This is where all your boards are displayed in a vertical list. You'll see every board you've created or been added to, making it easy to navigate between different projects and workspaces. This panel is your central hub for managing everything in Monday.com. Next, locate the specific board you want to archive. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that board's name. When you do this, you'll notice that a three-dotted icon appears on the right side of the board name. This icon represents the board's menu and gives you access to various options for managing that particular board. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open up the menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for what you can do with this board. Look through the list and click on Archive. This option is specifically designed to remove the board from your active workspace without permanently deleting it. Archiving is useful when you want to declutter your workspace but still keep the board's data accessible for future reference or potential reactivation. And that's it. You've successfully archived your board in Monday.com. The board is now removed from your active view but remains safely stored in your Archive Boards section so you can restore it anytime you need it again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.